Welcome to this video. In this video, I will cover the disposition section in the ARGUS multifamily model. This section consists of two variables, the exit cap rate and the transaction cost. I will input 5% as the exit cap rate. I can see the cap rate is sensitivity tested from 4% to 6% in this table. This gives me a better idea of what the net sale proceeds will be using different cap rates. I will input 1.25% for the transaction cost. This means 1.25% of the gross value is used to pay for legal fees, broker commissions, and the other relevant costs. After paying off the debt and the transaction costs, I arrive at a net proceeds. The exit timing is consistent with the holding period, 120 months. At last, the number in the middle row go into the calculation, while the other numbers do not. Let's go to the annual cash flow summary tab. I can see the sale is about $32 million. The cost of sale is about $390,000. Debt repayment is about $12 million. Everything looks good. I have completed the disposition section in the ARGUS multifamily model. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.